Today we will be preparing porridge that's suitable for babies ages 8 to 12 months. The amount I've prepared in this video lasts my daughter for about a week. Let's dive into the ingredients. To prepare this porridge, you will need pumpkin, broccoli, mixed vegetable containing green peas, carrot and corn, organic chicken breast, onion, garlic, tomato, sweet potatoes and regular potatoes, avocado, and finally some coconut milk. I have missed an ingredient, which is instant oats. Let's start cooking. First, heat up your pot and place the chicken breast into the pot along with some oil. Here I am using sunflower oil. Now, add in the chopped garlic, tomato and onions into the pot as well. Add in approximately 2 cups of water or until the chicken breast is submerged. Let it boil with medium flame until chicken is cooked. The pot should look something like this. To know if the chicken is done, you should be able to break apart the chicken breast using your spatula like this. Once that is done, add in the sweet potatoes and the regular potatoes. Close the lid and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. Now add in the mixed vegetables and pumpkin. The reason why we are adding pumpkin towards the end is because it cooks faster than other ingredients. Close the lid and let it slowly cook for about 5 minutes. Once the pumpkin is soft, you are ready for the next step. Finally, add in the coconut milk and broccoli. Close the lid once again and let it cook. Once it looks something like this, you're good to go. Honestly, this smells so good. Now, add in the instant oats. You can also use rolled oats, brown rice, pasta, white rice, or any other carbs you have at home readily available, as long as you cook it before adding it in, and mix well. Set the pot aside to be cooled. Once cool enough, use a blender or a food processor to blend the porridge into a paste, depending on what your baby's preference. This is also where you add in the avocado, once blended, it should look something like this. Of course, once again, you should blend this porridge based on how your baby likes his or her food consistency to be like. This is how a portion looks like for my baby. I usually store the porridge in multiple small containers so that it is easily reachable for me. Each container is 1 portion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!